A day in the life of Benny the bear. The sun peeks over the treetops, painting the sky golden. Deep in the forest, Benny the bear stretches his paws. "Time to start the day," he says with a big yawn. Can you stretch your arms like Benny? Reach up high. Benny wanders to the river, where the water sparkles like diamonds. He dips his nose in and takes a sip, so fresh and cool. Pretend to scoop up water with your hands and take a big sip. What does it taste like? Breakfast time. Benny spots plump, juicy berries growing near the bushes. Yum, he says as he munches on his favorite snack. Rub your belly like Benny. What is your favorite breakfast? After breakfast, Benny explores the forest. He sees squirrels chasing each other up the trees and listens to the birds singing their morning songs. Can you make a squirrel sound? Now try chirping like a bird. Splash! Benny jumps into the river to cool off. He paddles and plays, laughing as little fish swim around his paws. Pretend to paddle through water. How fast can you move your arms? The afternoon sun feels warm, and Benny takes a cozy nap under a shady tree. He dreams of honey and butterflies, his favorite things. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. What would you dream about? When he wakes up, Benny goes on a new adventure. He climbs a big rock to see the whole forest. Wow, what a view, he says with a happy sigh. Stand tall and stretch your arms. Imagine you're looking at Benny's forest. What do you see? As the sun begins to set, Benny returns to his cozy den. He snuggles in, ready for sleep. Today was a perfect bear day, he whispers, closing his eyes. Wrap your arms around yourself in a big bear hug. Can you say goodnight, Benny, out loud?